Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Darius from DariusCooks.tv. Today is all about baking one of my absolute favorite desserts in the whole wide world. And I'm here to show you that baking, not only is it fun, but it can be easy as well. So today, I'm gonna do a batch of my lemon blondies. I'm telling you, you put these out, my mouth already watering, but you put these out, everybody's going to love you for this recipe. So let me show you how to make them so we can get started with the get down, all right? So in a mixer, you can do a stand mixer like this or a hand mixer, but I'm using my stand mixer. I've got butter that I'm gonna put in. So I'm gonna put in 2 sticks of room temperature butter, and I'm just gonna turn on the mixer and let the butter sort of get nice and soft and incorporate a little bit of air inside. All right, so I'm just gonna scrape down the butter. Look at that, it's all nice and soft. Now I'm gonna add in the sugar. Okay, so makes it taste good. So it's 1.5 cups of sugar. We'll cut the mixer on and get that nice and incorporated. All right, now you know what you gotta do. You gotta scrape the sides down. The butter's nice and pale. That's kind of what we're going for. All right, now I'm gonna drop in 4 eggs, but I'm gonna do it one at a time, right? Cut this off so we're not wearing the egg. So we'll put the first egg in there, and then we'll cut it on. And then here's the 4th one. All right, so I think that one of the best ways to get lots of really good flavor in here is to use not just lemon juice, but the zest as well. So what'll happen is that the zest is gonna add this sort of lovely, lemony floral note to these blondies, and it's gonna be like undeniable just because of what the oil does out of the lemon. So what I wanna do, take a microplane, and I just want to just scrape the lemon right across the microplane. And I'm gonna do 2 lemons. All right, so we got the zest of 2 lemons hanging out in there. I've got some fresh squeezed lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice goes right in here. And let's get in here and get this mixed together well. All right, to this, let's do a pinch of salt right in here for good flavor. All right, and then let's add the flour. So I'm going for 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll get this all combined. All right, there we go. Just till it comes together. And now you have the most epic lemon blondie batter that you've ever seen in your whole life. So we just had to scrape the sides down and make sure it's well incorporated. Let's mix this together like this. See what happens? Very simple. And look at that, man, it looks so good. All right, let's get this baked off. So I have like the absolute oldest little aluminum pan that I own. And it's old, it's rusty, but it's got character and it makes some of the best brownies and blondies you've ever seen. So I'm gonna spray it with a little baker's spray. Let's get this batter all in here. We'll smooth this out. It smells good. All right, oven's 350 degrees. This goes off until it's nice and golden brown. The lemon blondies are out of the oven, cooling just slightly, but while they're still warm, I do want to make this amazing glaze and put that right on top. In a bowl, let's add some powdered sugar, and we just need a couple of drops of that fresh squeezed lemon juice. We'll put a few drops in at a time until we get our desired consistency. Hennessy in this. Still a little warm on the blonde. Oh, look at these blondies. Oh, smells so lemony. Let's drown it All right, so let me just dig on up in here. Give me a little piece of this lemon blondie that smells divine. And it's warm, it's moist, and super lemony. You gotta give it a try. I'm trying to tell you, if you don't think you can bake, make this, and I'm telling you, everybody's gonna love you. The recipe is gonna be on my site. It's dariuscooks.tv. And there's two things I wanna tell you, as I always do. Food is my life. Life, it's my food. Until next time, I gotta wish you happy cooking. From my heart to yours. Bye, y'all.